Hi, I am Anne, your virtual success advocate from ZAPTEST. ZAPTEST is a leading free and enterprise software test automation and RPA tool. To use the ZAPTEST free edition, check out our website, ZAPTEST.AI. In today's video, we will discuss the history of RPA evolution. So without further ado, let's start. The idea of using automated technology to increase process efficiency is nothing new, as it dates back to the industrial age of trying to improve manufacturing productivity. However, attempts at using bots to improve processes started, almost synonymously, with the world's introduction to the World Wide Web in 1989 with screen scraping. Screen scraping is the process of finding, extracting, and copying data from the internet for another purpose. Back then, if a business wanted to implement screen scraping, it required extensive programming knowledge, and automation technology was human-dependent. The lack of access to automated technology encouraged the development of more innovative and adaptable process management software to improve customer relations, operational costs, and workflow management. The 90s era of re-engineering automation software resulted in companies needing better, faster process management technologies against a hyper-competitive market. With upheaval in companies implementing automated technology in their processes, perspectives on process management systems change. Moving forward to the 2000s, companies sought maximum effectiveness over efficiency. The emergence of RPA starts here, the world's entry into the 21st century. Robotic process automation draws from its predecessors, screen scraping and automating workflow to perform tasks from beginning to end without human interference. The following decade, marked by the start of the Internet of Things around 2009, represents the proliferation of technological advancements and a world connected by technology. The world's drastic technological transformation brings us to the fourth revolution of automation, which involved a mainstream recognition of RPA, with 2016 marking a surge in sales for robotic process automation services and tools and the incorporation of artificial intelligence tools in RPA systems. If by now you have any inquiries or are considering learning more about ZAPTEST, drop a message on the website at the red widget, and we would be pleased to help you along the way. Make sure to comment and share this video with your peers and colleagues. By seeing your interest, we'd be making more videos like this, making hard topics easily digestible. Thank you for watching. Make sure to read the article linked in the description.